If you want to crop an image in Krita, whether you want to trim the entire canvas or just crop a single layer, this video will walk you through both methods step by step. Cropping is one of the most useful basic editing skills in Krita because it helps you clean up composition, remove empty space, and focus attention on the part of the image that matters most. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's start with method 1, which is cropping the entire canvas. This is the option you want if you want to permanently change the size of your document and cut away pixels across every layer. So if your artwork has extra space around it or you want a tighter frame, this is the method to use. First, look at the left toolbar and select the crop tool. You can also use the shortcuts to activate it quickly. Once the tool is selected, click and drag a box over the area of the image that you want to keep. As you drag, Krita will show you the crop boundary, and this is what defines the new canvas area. If the crop area is not quite right, you can fine-tune it using the adjustment handles. Drag the square corner handles to resize the crop box and get a more accurate selection. You can also look over to the tool options panel on the right side of the screen. There, you can type in exact values for width, height, or even the X and Y coordinates if you want a very precise crop. This is especially useful when you need clean, symmetrical results or when you're preparing an image for a specific size. Once everything looks correct, press Enter on your keyboard or click the crop button in the tool options panel to apply the change. After that, Krita will permanently cut the canvas down to the selected area across all layers. Now let's move on to method 2, which is cropping a single layer while keeping the background intact. This method is ideal when you only want to isolate one object or one part of your artwork without changing the overall document size. So if you're working on a layered project and you don't want to affect the rest of the image, this is the better option. First, go to the Layers docker and select the layer you want to crop. This step is important because Krita will only modify the active layer. Next, choose the rectangular selection tool from the left toolbar. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+R to get to it quickly. After that, click and drag a box around the portion of the layer that you want to keep. Try to make the selection as accurate as possible because everything outside of it will be removed in the next step. Once your selection is ready, go up to the top menu bar and click Select, then choose Invert Selection. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I. Inverting the selection flips it, so instead of selecting what you want to keep, Krita now selects everything you want to remove. With that done, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard to clear out the unwanted background area around your object. This leaves only the selected part of the layer visible. Finally, press Ctrl+Shift+A to deselect the active selection box. That clears the marching ants outline and gives you a clean final result. And just like that, you've cropped a single layer in Krita without changing the rest of your project. So to quickly recap, use the crop tool if you want to crop the whole canvas and all layers together, and use a selection plus delete if you only want to crop one layer while leaving the document size unchanged. Knowing both methods gives you a lot more control over your edits in Krita. If this tutorial helped you learn how to crop an image in Krita, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Krita tips and tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.